get more people joined in over here. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. Man, today was hot. It was so hot working in this heat today. I'm so glad I'm done. I'm glad to be in the car with my AC going. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is what happened to me today, man. I had this scenario happen, and I was doing my best on this dent, and that's all I can do. I can do my best. And I told the customer, hey, I can get most of this dent, but there's this little spot over here that's going to be absolutely almost impossible because it's crushed, and I can't get that. He said, that's cool. That's all I want. So I was working on it. Cut 2 hours, 2.5 hours. It was hot. It was sweaty. I just kept on going and kept on going. I didn't give up. I just kept on going. I didn't have an happy outcome. Wasn't able to get the whole crushed part of the dent, but I did exactly what I told the customer. But it was in my head that I was like, man, this is an incomplete job. This is incomplete. Even though I told the customer I couldn't get it, I still want to get it. I kept on trying. Anyway, I was done. I cleaned up the dent. I polished it, wrapping up my tools. And then all of a sudden I hear the customer come outside, comes out of his door. I hear the door slam shut. And he's walking out. He's like, hey, how's it going? And I said, oh, I'm finished. I was like, uh-oh, here it comes. He's not going to be happy. He sees it. He's just like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is way better than I thought it would be. I was shocked. I was just like, oh, really? This is awesome. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Anyway, the guy couldn't hand me his credit card fast enough. He was so happy. And I just had it in my head that I did it incomplete. And even though I was doing my best, I was just honest and told him, hey, I can't get it all. This is what I can do. And I did it. And man, it paid off. It was really cool. Anyway, that's my scenario. Do the best that you can do in your personal life, in your professional life, whatever you do, whoever you're with, whatever you're doing in your personal life, whatever you're doing in your business life, just do the best you can do, and you get rewarded, whether it's in love or praises. And the guy's going to give me a 5-star Yelp review, so double win for that one. Anyway, everybody, take care. Hey, what's up, my peoples? How's it going? Stacy and Casco. Oh, dude, I forgot your name. I'm sorry. Wardrobe. Fabian, I think. Anyway, what's up, dude? Anyway, have a great weekend, you guys. And if you didn't hear that whole story, it's an interesting story. You can go back and check it out. Anyway, take care, you guys. Bye.